My brothers and sisters, why do we feel anxious even when everything seems fine? We are connected to the world, yet our hearts feel lonely, restless, unsettled. And quietly, many of us ask, why is my heart not at peace? We worry about what is coming. We regret what has already passed, and we forget the present moment. We overthink conversations, decisions, situations. We scroll endlessly, searching for distraction, but the heart remains heavy. This anxiety is real, and Islam does not ignore it. Allah understands the human heart because He is the one who created it. Allah reminds us in the Qur'an that it is only in His remembrance that hearts find peace. Not in control, not in wealth, not in people's approval. Peace was never meant to come from creation. It was meant to come from the Creator. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, taught us that true richness is not having many possessions, but having a heart that is content. Many of us feel anxious because we are trying to control outcomes that were never in our hands. Allah never asked you to carry tomorrow's worries today. He asked you to trust Him. Islam teaches balance. You make effort, but you rely on Allah. You plan, but you surrender the result. When trust leaves the heart, anxiety enters, because the heart was not created to live without reliance on Allah. When the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, felt worry, he turned to dua, not long speeches, not perfect words, just sincere words from a sincere heart. He practiced gratitude even in hardship, noticing blessings we often overlook. He valued silence, stepping away from noise so the heart could reconnect with Allah. And he lived simply, reducing distractions so faith could grow. Small sunnahs, yet powerful healing for the heart. Perhaps peace is not found by escaping every problem, but by remembering who is in control of them. So pause, reflect, and gently return your heart back to Allah.